on, everybody? It's Motovlog here, and I'm gonna do a follow-up video of last night's video that I posted up. Last night I posted a video about 9/11 and my experiences that happened in September 11th of 2001, which is right here. I want to do a follow-up video the day after, September 12th. We all remember what happened on September 11th, but I feel that many of us truly, sadly, have forgotten September 12th. Now, in the wake of that tragic terrorist attack that took out thousands of innocent people and brave men and women and children, all walks of life, all ages, September 12th and the days after that, really, but I'll just say September 12th, there was kind of like, I just call it like an awakening, you know. Everybody seemed to band together. Doesn't matter what race you were, what color you were, what religion, what sex, what orientation you are, what, I guess, what gender, binary, whatever. Everybody worked together. I remember staying up all night September 11th watching news. I could not sleep, and just watching, just hoping to find more people out of the rubble. I mean, just hoping. And you see people from all over the United States, and not only the United States, but all over the world, coming to help out in New York City. And they did everything they could. I remember I had to go to work the next day, and I'm sitting here at a stoplight, and there's firefighters sitting on the corner, and they got their boots, right? They got their fireman's boot, and the thing's overflowing with money. I'm telling you, overflowing with, I'm not talking about dollar bills, $1 bills. I'm talking about, there had to be hundreds in there. There had to be stacks of money in there. And this is all throughout the city. You know, I grew up in California, in Sacramento, and the police were out there, same thing. All over the town, people were doing donations, donating. Everybody had a flag on their car. Everybody was proud and united. And you know, we got sucker punched, and we were going to let the world know, hey, we're not going to take this laying down. Come on. And we're going to do this together. And that right there is why I say people have forgotten September 11th and, you know, maybe September 12th and the days afterwards. And it might be controversial to say that, but, you know, I don't care. That's just my personal opinion. And I think many share that opinion. I love America. I love this country. I'm proud to be American. And I know many of y'all that watch me are too. And some of the y'all that watch me from overseas, you get what I'm saying. You're patriotic. You love your country. And what's going on nowadays is just a lot of division. And I'm not going to get political. That's my main thing I told myself on this channel. I'm not going to get political. But it's black and white. It doesn't matter what kind of political background you are from. People are divided. You know, if you don't think the same way as somebody else, they're going to act differently towards you, you know. And then it used to be that way. September 12th and the days going forward after that were beautiful. Like I said, it was an awakening. Everybody was kind of stagnant. All of a sudden that woke us up to unify, to be together. as one United States of America. And that right there is a beautiful thing. Everybody working together, doesn't matter where you're from, rich, poor, who you're sleeping with, you know, what race you are, what religion you are. Everybody was working together. So with that, I want to thank you for sitting through this and listening to me talk about my feelings. And I'll see you on the next one.